Welcome to J&J's test video of SVMA 200, a 1997 Miata, 1.8 automatic, pretty clean, straightforward. I'm not 100% sure why it was at auction, but it's just kind of beat up. Not beat up, but it's just not perfect. Runs good, 120 some thousand miles on, I think like 122. Cam sensor replaced back there. Doesn't have a ton of blow-by. Let's take her for a drive. I'll show you the headlights work. Headlights work. We'll close the hood and send her on her way. Mirrors work, windows work. That window doesn't, but driver's side does. Alright, take her for a drive. Seems to be going okay. Transmission must be okay. Ooh, don't good oil pressure, just driving it around. All right, and that'll do it for SVMA 297 Miata. Not hit, just donated out, it looks like. Running, driving down the road, 123,000 miles. As always, thank you for watching, and have your pets spayed and neutered.